Hi everyone, I'm Vasudha Pansare, a retired professor of English. I live in Bangalore. I'm very fond of reading, writing, and watching films. I love writing poetry and reviews of books and films. I have recently published a book of poetry on Amazon Kindle. I wish to thank the jury and Beyond the Box for selecting my story and for the wonderful opportunity. The title of my story is Interfaith Marriage. Please do comment on my story and do subscribe to Beyond the Box channel. Interfaith Marriage. He was a Hindu boy and she was a Muslim girl, but they were deeply in love with each other. Both their families were against this relationship, but they decided to get married in spite of that. They had a registered marriage. A few friends attended. The families were not informed. They rented an apartment in a faraway place in Mumbai and started their life together. Their families refused to acknowledge their marriage and cut off relations totally. Then he found a good job in UK and both shifted to London away from the controversies of caste, religion, and narrow-minded prejudices. They found London a very exciting place, but expensive too. After some time, they planned their family and had 2 lovely kids. He was doing well, and his company decided to send him to India for 3 months, all expenses paid for him and his wife and kids. It was an important project, and they were glad to go to their country for a short duration. Even when they came here, they didn't contact their families and met only their close friends. One fine morning, while watching NDTV, they saw a panel discussion on interfaith marriages, which was related to a Tanishq advertisement. This advertisement had caused a furor on social media, forcing the company to withdraw the ad owing to vicious trolling and threats. They decided to contact NDTV and tell them about their love story and their interfaith marriage. NDTV telecast a special program on many such couples who were happily married in spite of parental opposition. The aim of this program was to prove that India's secularism was alive and kicking, although Hindutva bigots wanted to destroy it. This program was watched and appreciated by thousands, including the 2 families who had cut off relations with them. The families finally decided to accept their marriage, called the couple and their kids home. They hosted together a party to celebrate the success of this interfaith marriage. Secular values had been victorious. Satyameva Jayate. God bless secular India. Thank you.